We're back with the Chinese Basketball Association, and Hu Jinqiu's 27 points fueled the Guangsha Lions to a one-sided victory over new CBA team, the Ningbo Rockets, which kept the Lions perfect with 5 straight wins to start the new season. Hu sets up Xu Zhonghao, who cuts inside to lay it in, and Guangsha lead 8-0. Ningbo's veteran forward Zhang Biao scores 2 of his 16 points in the first quarter, but they trail 31-20. Second quarter, and Ye Zhengwen banks in a 3 to cut the deficit to 4. Ningbo down 45-41 now. However, Lika's side suffer from 22 turnovers in the game. This one allows Hu to finish an easy basket to make it 54-44 Guangsha. The Lions pull away in the third quarter as Hu rolls inside and is fed by Sun Minghui for a dunk. That puts them up by 31. Then Zhao Jiayi's deep shot makes it a 40-point advantage. Guangsha coach Wang Bo sends 12 players onto the court, and each of them score as the Lions win 121-75 to stay perfect, while the Rockets swallow another defeat and have lost all 5 games this season.